probably can't. I should have thought of this, but what I'm going to do is, well, I might be able to. Let's show them all again. Aha! So there we are, I've changed the name of that. That's the ID as I put into Notepad earlier. And I'm going to go into the settings for Ultimate Google Analytics. Ultimate GA. And here is where I enter the code. So copy it from where we saved it and paste it in there. Okay. Update options. And now if I log out and visit the site, if I view the source code for that site, here's the code that it's added. Okay, that's a comment. It's put in this stuff here, which is the same as the codes Google tells you to install in your pages. So having created an impression here will mean that hopefully if I refresh this page, it'll tell me that the status is okay. We're looking for number 11. It's not done that yet. It might just be the case because there can be a bit of a delay. Well, there is a bit of a delay before the analytics stuff gets in place. Google doesn't give you real-time data. Analytics settings. If I click on edit, I think, yeah, here we are, check status. Okay, I'm not quite sure why it's still saying tracking not installed. It might, okay, that's why. It's going to example.com. So I am actually going to have to change that. I'll do that now. I don't think I can edit it here, can I? You can indicate that it's an e-commerce website. Right. Okay, that's something that I'm going to address later on anyway, because time is pressing. Create product purchase as a goal. Right. If you've set your WordPress and eShop up as I have, what a user will see when they go through the shopping cart funnel when they're using PayPal to download a downloadable product. First of all, they'll go to the page, they'll click on Add to Cart, and they'll get that product in their shopping cart. And they'll go to the page Shopping-Cart. They'll follow that through, they'll go to Shopping-Cart/checkout. Once they're happy, it will become Shopping-Cart/checkout eShop action equals redirect briefly, and then it gets redirected to the payment processor, PayPal in this case. Once they come back, having clicked on return to merchant, return to whatever your name is or whatever the button says, they'll arrive at Shopping-Cart/thank-you, eShop action equals success, and then they'll click on the button that says access my downloads, and they'll go to /downloads. Now the goal is completed when someone arrives at Shopping-Cart/thank-you, or someone arrives at downloads. If you're doing downloadable products, I would suggest you use downloads. If you're doing physical products, then obviously there won't be a download, so you'll need to use Shopping-Cart/thank-you. To create that as a goal in the Google Analytics interface, you click on Add Goal, and goal name, you would say product sale. Active goal, yes. Goal position, set one, goal one is fine. And the goal in this case is a URL destination. Now, some of this is a bit esoteric, but you can have a head match, an exact match, or a regular expression match. And these are different types of matches that it's looking for. Head match is usually the best option to go for, especially if you're going to regular expressions. That's a lot of difficult esoteric stuff that only programmers really know about. I'm not all that sure of a lot of that stuff myself. Now it tells you how to enter the URL. So it says, if the goal page is mysite.com/thankyou.html, you'd enter /thankyou.html. In this case, it's /downloads/. Capitalization, I wouldn't bother much with that. Goal value, again, it wouldn't really bother much with that. The value of expressing a goal value can be just to indicate how much that goal was worth for you. But typically, if you've got an e-commerce shop, products have different prices, and you know, just entering a single goal value that's globally recognized isn't really going to be very useful. You can enter a goal funnel in this interface, and that would be the whole of that process. I don't recommend that you do that. Google Analytics can sort out the funnel for itself because it can see the path taken by users through your website. So just save that, and then you'll be able to view your different goals. And I'm going to take you to reports for my dojotool.com. I mean, I haven't really started promoting it yet. I'm getting a few visitors here and there. I think